Hello, my name is Tammy Janzen. I'm going to be using QuickBooks Accounting 2015 this evening to work on Chapter 3, Case Problem 3, to prepare some more financial reports using Jason Gala's Attorney at Law file in QuickBooks. We're going to do items 1 through 4. And the first item talks about prepare a new standard profit and loss report. So we will go up here to Reports, Company and Financial, and we're going to do a profit and loss report standard. Okay, and it says for the month of January 2012, so we're going to change the dates. Okay, and I can tab or refresh, brings up January 2012. We want to format this, go to Customize Reports under Fonts and Numbers, and they want it without cents. We go over to Header and Footer, and it says without the date prepared, time prepared, or the report basis field. I want to make sure I add my name in here. Okay. And then we're going to memorize this report as Income Statement 1. Okay, so we're done here with our changes. Go ahead and say OK. We're going to go to Memorize. We want it as Income Statement 1, which I will have to put some spaces in there. I've already saved this under my name, Tammy Janzen. So it's going to save it in my memorized report group. Say OK. And you can hear that. Okay, so we saved that report. That was item 1. So I'll escape back out of here. Now, item number 2, prepare a new standard profit and loss report for the month of February 2012. So we're going to go to Reports, Company and Financial, and a new standard profit and loss. And we're going to change the dates for the month of February 2012. Whoops, excuse me, there's a typo there with the date. Okay, and notice I had February 2/29 of 12. There was an extra day there. Refresh. Of course, it's the month of February 2012. Okay, and they want this formatted. We're going to go into Customize Reports, Fonts and Numbers, and they want it without cents. They want left alignment, so under Header and Footer, we're going to change the alignment to left. And with the title Income Statement. Okay, I'm going to put my name in down here. Okay, and format without the cents, which we did, and without the date prepared, time prepared, or report basis fields. So we're going to uncheck all 3 of those boxes. And we're done here with our changes. Say OK. And we're going to memorize this report. And we're going to save it as Income Statement 2. We'll save it in the memorized report group under my name. And OK. And we've got that report saved. That was item number 2. Okay, we'll escape back out of there. I can hit the home button if I went too far, if you'd like to see the home screen or not. The third item is modify the income statement you prepared in number 2 above. So we're going to go back to Reports, Memorize Reports, under my name for the report group. And we did Income Statement 2. Okay, so we pull that back up for the month of February. I'm going to make that the size of the screen here. And we want to customize this report. And we want to add a previous period. Okay, so we want the dollar change and the percent change. And we want percent of column. Oh, excuse me. We want dollar change and percent of column. And we're going to memorize this as Income Statement 3. So we're going to put this in here. I'm going to go ahead and add my name. Okay. And we're done there. We can go ahead and say OK. All right, so you can see the changes here. Dollar change, percent of column. Okay, we're going to go up here and memorize this report. We're going to say New. I'll just put some spaces in here. Save it in Memorized Report Group under my name. Say OK. And we've saved that one. Okay, we'll escape back. We'll go to item number 4. It's prepare a transaction detail by account report of those transactions recorded in February. So we'll go back to Reports, my memorized reports. We're going to go to Tammy Janzen. We're going back to that income statement number 3. Of these transactions in February. Okay, so we're in the month of February. That affected the payroll expense account. So we'll go down here to payroll expenses in February, double click. And it says we're going to customize this report without the date prepared. Customize report. Header and footer without the date prepared, time prepared, or report basis. We're going to add my name in here. Okay. And we're going to memorize this report as payroll detail, February 2012. Okay, just making sure we're still in the same one here. Okay. And with my name in there, payroll detail, February 2012. And we say okay. And we're going to memorize this. Save a memorized report. Tammy Janzen. And I'll put some spaces in here. And there we go. Okay, so we can escape back out of there. And that's all we have for Chapter 3, Case Problem 3. Thank you.